Hello everyone,
Hey, everyone.
and welcome back to Dog and Partridge, a place of own fine craft tales. If you haven't met him before, this is my world famous brother Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Good evening, bro. How's yourself?
I'm alright, bro. It's a bit windy, isn't
It's
it?
a bit windy. We've gone from sweltering hot to windy, blowy rain. It's almost autumn within 2 weeks.
I reckon the roof could come off the DMP, mate.
That hasn't done yet, Lord. Yeah.
Oh, are we reviewing beers?
This is what we do here. This is our job. Yes, if you're just tuning in for the first time, of course, we brew, serve, and review beers in our own award-winning pub shed place.
Now, award winning?
Well, 3 years ago, but yes, award-winning.
Oh, it was. Right, bro, what have we got on today then?
Well, for those who don't know, I had quite a lot of kits from Dark Rock because they brought some new kits out just around about the end of start of lockdown. I got them all, and I couldn't get any from anywhere else.
No. So we've got quite a lot of dark rock brew to get through.
Yes, we have. Yes, and these were new kits to them at the time,
Yeah.
and I obviously made them, and we review them every couple of weeks or so. We have got one from somewhere else as well.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! But we're going to kick off with their East Kent Gold.
Right, we're all familiar with these boxes by now, probably all that.
Oh, of course, you're tuning in for the first time.
Well, if you're doing it, they're doing these very nice boxes. East Kent Gold, then, bro. Do you want a blurb?
You can do.
This is part of the Great British Series.
Yes, the Great British Series is they do one called the World Heritage Series. The Great British Series got a red label. I have found over the brewing time with these different kits, the red labels, the blue labels, sorry, have a lot more hops than the red label.
Okie dokie.
So are a little bit more
Probably
expensive.
a bit more expensive, like you say. Yeah. Okay, right. Well, this is the East Kent Gold. Then is a classic blonde ale using premium malts balanced with a crisp flavour and aroma of the finest East Kent Golding hops. The combination of the hops and malts produce a smooth, refreshing, full-bodied beer with a great aroma and delicate full hop character. There's a list of what's in it, equipment you need, and allergy advice. I noticed in a couple of these boxes, but it doesn't give the expected ABV, does it?
No, but I would have said most of these kits, especially the part grain kits, unless you're going to add a lot more sugar or something else, are going to come in around about 4.5%.
Cool.
And this is it, bro, in the beer festival glass.
Oh, for those, that's just why my brother's upset. It should have been the PBF this week.
Yeah.
Peterborough Beer Festival, which is one of the largest outdoor beer festivals, certainly in England, if not in Europe. And obviously, because of that horrible coronavirus rubbish, it got cancelled.
So here we are, having a beer festival in the DMP.
Beer festival. It smells a little bit beer festival-y.
It does actually. Out of the that range with the red label on, I would have said that's probably the most hoppy one I've smelled.
Ooh, that's got quite a nice, almost Citra smell to it, hasn't it? Right, I'm going in,
cheers.
bro. Cheers. Oh, that is once again right up my street.
That is cracking. That's probably out of the range, the English range. That's probably the best one we've had.
Right, so what makes it that? It's
East Kent Gold Hops, obviously.
It's light, it's refreshing, it's very quaffable, isn't it?
It's very quaffable. There's just the right amount of bitterness there. It's not over hoppy. It's just one of those English summer quaffable
Lovely.
ales that you just want to
Nice.
sit in a beer garden
golden, it's
or
light,
a
it's
beer
refreshing,
festival. Or...
citrusy a little bit hoppy all mixed in there. That's fab. That's a straight in with a 10 out of 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
That's delightful, bro.
Delightful.
Cheers, well done.
Well done, Doc.
Right, what's next, bro? I'm
Right.
going to get mixed up with that many beers, man. Just put that somewhere safe, bro.
Yeah, good.
Right.
We're going to go across now to the guys in on to Get Er Brewed.
Ooh, Get Er Brewed.
Get Er Brewed. Now, I do find this site and the explanation of things slightly confusing.
Okay.
Because on their website they do extract brewing,
Okay.
but it isn't. Their extract brewing is part grain.
Okay.
To me and probably a lot of other people.
Okay. So it's not just basically malt extracts, it's part grain.
Extract with grain.
Okay.
Now what they're calling their can't say the
Extract?
word. No, experimental
Oh,
range
experimental.
is just extract. So if you
Okay.
go on their website,
Right, okay.
you'll have to go and find their experimental range
Okay.
to find this kit.
Right. And what
Okay.
is it then, bro?
This kit is Citra. Now,
Okay.
the reason why we're reviewing this kit, we have done it before, but now they've teamed up with Chris Maltins.
Crisp, yeah, in association with crisp
So you
malt.
get two of these little tubs here. Show the camera.
There's a little tub here. It's a bit sticky, bro, isn't it? Because it's obviously had malt extract in it.
Malt extract. And you get two of these little tubs from Crisp Maltings. I've teamed up with them. You do get hot tea bags, which is quite useful because then you don't have to have an hot spardy. You don't get your beer full of bloody hops. It's
Comes actually in a bag, sort of thing.
And you do get a little the yeast, and you do get a test tube of hop extract as well to control the bitterness.
Okay.
All in there. Again, simple. Dissolve the
Sort of price?
Again, around about the same sort of price.
Right, cool.
Slightly cheaper
Okay.
than the extract brewing range.
Which is
Part
right.
This is about
I'm
19, 20 quid.
Right, okay.
Whereas the extract
24,
brewing range,
25,
25, 26.
Yeah, okay.
Here it is anyway. Sorry about the waffle.
No, but these people need to know these things out there, bro. These
Yeah,
people
they-
need to know these things.
But like I say, I do find it slightly confusing. They have also released and teamed up with Crisp Maltings and released some new recipes in full grain.
Okay.
Now you can't really go wrong with it. It does say full grain kits, but yeah.
Cool. Have we got any of those coming in?
We've got a couple of those in the pipeline.
Oh, I say.
Now then, let's get back to this one. Oh, you can smell the citra hops there as soon as you get it anywhere near your nose, can't you?
Oh, you know what I'm thinking immediately, don't you? Bit ghost-shippy.
Yeah, it is very, yeah, you'll go to there.
Obviously, ghost ship is very citra-based beer, isn't it? So.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Well, it's what it does on the tin. It's a light, crisp-looking beer.
Yeah, and not quite clear, 'cause it's been so hot in the past, the beer's not been settling very well in the
We've
corner
had
kegs.
quite extreme
That's what I'm saying.
temperature changes, haven't we?
Yeah,
We've gone from, like, it's freezing and things off out there today to being stupidly hot.
Yeah,
So
and
it's
I
going
think
up and down
stupidly
quite a
hot
lot.
has not helped the clear of the beer.
Okay.
Anyway,
Cheers.
It tastes okay.
Ooh. Oh. Very quaffable again.
Again, it's very quaffable. I don't think it's as smooth as that beer.
It's not smooth, and I'm not quite getting enough punch from that citra.
No, I am quite getting.
I'm getting some, but
Yeah.
it's not one that smacks it. I
I
want
won't call it a
to.
citra smash.
No, I want a citra to go. Yeah, grab it by the throat. I'm a citra. Yeah, that kind of goes. All right, I'm a citra.
It's kind of like you say, ghost ship goblin kind of strength as the hops go. You can taste it's a good citra beer.
You know what? I'm doing it disservice because it's a fine beer. That's very good. It's like crispy citra beer. Not quite a 10 out of 10 for me. I think it's probably a 9. Just purely because it's not
Quite as smooth, is it?
Not quite smooth.
We're probably
and
being
just-
a bit picky here, but yeah.
Yeah, well, we can be picky.
Yes, we can.
We can be picky.
But that's quite quaffable.
That's-
Give me that.
For 20 quid, mate,
Yeah.
you can't go wrong with that. If you got the gear to brew that,
Give me that at a beer festival, and you're gonna drink it.
I'll stop saying beer festival. Right, that's 2 beers down. I think we might have a third.
Yeah, we're off back to Dark Rock again,
Woohoo!
and this time we're going to their World Heritage range.
This is a Pacific Wave Pale Ale. World Heritage Series, a delicious, easy drinking, aromatic pale ale which showcases the unique New Zealand hop varieties.
All right.
Tropical hop flavours come from the use of Pacific Jade, Nelson Sauvin. Oh God, why do you do this to me? I can't even pronounce the next one. Motueka, I think.
Matawaka.
And
Motueka.
Waititi hops. Get by the box and read them yourself. This juicy
Come on, over
IPA.
there, anyway.
This juicy IPA is perfectly balanced with the sweetness of pale carapil malts. Thanks for that.
You're welcome.
Right then. What have we got here then, Brad?
Pacific Wave, of course. After you forgot what it is now.
Well, I read all that.
Scrambled your brain.
That's looking really unclear, that one, bro.
Yeah, again, I think it was to do with me messing around with the
Right.
hops a little bit. I put them in a bit late and then barreled early. And again, it was odd at the time, so.
Okay. I'm not getting a lot of nose. Give it a
No, I'm not actually. I'm not as much as that Citra, to be fair.
Oh, give it a bit of a
I pulled the right beer.
Oh, give it a bit of a swirl.
Yeah.
Well, I can feel
Oh, yeah.
a breakfast grapefruit coming on.
Oh, there's lots of grapefruit smells coming out there now.
Oh, isn't
Mango
there?
and citra all down and pineapple and everything coming through.
I can see me getting barred from the DMP in a minute.
I'm going in.
I'm going in.
Oh, my sweet Lord, that's fantastic. The
It's all right.
pineapple and the citrus and the just explosion of tropical fruits upon your tongue. It's absolutely, it's just like being sat in the Pacific.
You know what? I actually tried this at the weekend, and I did say to my brother then that it probably wasn't my straight. You know what? I think it's improved.
Well, of course
in
it
a
has.
few days, because that isn't quite as pungent as I remember at the weekend, bro.
Taste all those tropical fruit flavours from those New Zealand docks, I think.
I'm going to say, if you like your New World beers that have got that mango-y, passion fruit, grapefruity taste to them, then this is right at the street.
Definitely. And that's what I'm leaning to these days. I do like just the normal traditional bitters, but I do that every now and again.
For me,
just
that's got a super bitter back end, doesn't it?
It has. It is super dry on the back of the tongue. I must admit that. That is, probably quite good for the first couple of mouthfuls, but I can see that getting to a struggle towards the end of the glass, maybe.
Yeah, because... Yes. Just because yes. But yeah, it's good. I like it. It's not a 10 out of 10 for me, though, bro. It's a 9.5.
Well, I'll do then.
It's a cracking beer, but not necessarily as, for me, out of this lot, the East Kent Gold.
Yeah. That's probably the
shoulders
easiest drinking one. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're looking for something that, if you had a couple of points, then I need something different. That's different.
I think what we need to do, if you're doing these at 10, you probably do them in that order, drink them in that order. East Kent Gold, nice, easy
Most
drinking.
definitely.
Some's a bit more punchy and some's super punchy.
It is super punchy. It's super fruity. It's New World beer. It's nice.
Definitely, it's 10 out of 10.
It's 10 out of 10. Are we down on then, bro? Is that it for tonight?
Nearly. I'd just like to say a couple of big thank yous to a couple of people in the homebrew world. One of them, Graham, he sent me his favourite kit.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
He's got it from Burnley Homebrew and he sent me to brew. I did it the other day and we'll
cool.
do it in a few weeks' time.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, yeah.
And to my brewing mate Phil as well, he's had me out with some gas this week and kept me going so I can carry on drinking.
You're struggling to get delivery of stuff, aren't you, bro?
Yes. I'm still struggling to get delivery or find something different or from somewhere as well. A lot of places are still out of stock.
Struggling to get things, yeah. Oh, there you go.
And you'll be pleased to hear next time, bro.
Oh, right. Next time. I'll see you.
Stay tuned, everybody. Next time.
Breweolution 4th of July. Is that when it's ready?
No, that's the name of the beer.
I was going to say, I'm not waiting well next July to drink it. 4th of July won't be, eh? It's homoerotic, apparently, again. Wilco. We've got a beer from Wilco.
We've got a beer from Wilco.
Feeling hoppy.
Feeling hoppy.
Lovely jubbly.
And we've got a new one from Get Er Brewed, but I can't remember.
I would say we've got Get Er Brewed and then
Some
nothing.
mystery
It's
ale.
a mystery beer.
Stay tuned to see which one it is. I think it is the full grain one though this time. So yeah.
Ah, right, yeah. Okay. I seem to remember you got 2 from Wilco's, didn't you?
I did, yes. I could get Dr. Thirst.
So you've got another one to do as well.
Yeah.
Cool. So a couple of beers from Wilco's as well.
Yeah, and I think we've got another couple of beers from Get Er Brewed coming through. So yeah, we're getting some different kits.
Lovely. Some variety. Right.
Some variety. That's what you want. Spice of life.
Spice of life. Thanks for all those people subscribing on our YouTube channel.
This is very much appreciated. If you are watching on Facebook, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we might get somewhere near 1,000.
And we're ending up towards 800, I think, below.
We are indeed.
Thanks for all the comments. I do read all the comments and go through them.
So
very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, and thank you very much for your feedback. We do much appreciate it. And again, if there's anything you want us to review, please don't.
Let me know.
Let me know, and I'll do my best if it's in stock.
Cracking.
All right, then. Until next time, it's a goodbye from him.
It's goodbye from him.
Toodaloo.